Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where imagination meets precision, with Xunjie 3D print service. Watch as our 3D printer meticulously brings your ideas to life, layer by layer, transforming digital blueprints into tangible reality. Each pass of the nozzle, each carefully placed thread of filament, is a testament to the possibilities of modern technology. From a concept born in your mind, to a creation you can hold in your hands, Xunjie 3D print service makes your vision a reality. Whether you are prototyping, innovating, or crafting something entirely unique, the power to create is now at your fingertips. Embrace the future with Xunjie 3D print service and let your ideas take shape.